I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is just the beginning of the planting season on the west coast of BC, not the only one. Annuals can be planted anytime from now right through to September, October for your fall plants. Seeds can pretty much be planted from January right through to November, with our vegetable seeds especially being planted almost every week throughout the spring and summer. Hardy perennials can be planted anytime the ground's not frozen solid or we don't have a blast furnace of heat going on. Times for planting roses are spring and fall, and take a look at all of our selection. And yes, those are David Austin's on the cart. Hardy shrubs can be planted anytime the ground is not frozen solid or we have extremely hot weather. Trees can be planted anytime the ground is not frozen solid or they have to deal with a lot of heat. Ideally, you want them to be rooted into the ground before they have to deal with either extreme. Houseplants? Get out of here. Any time is good for those, but now is a particularly good time to repot.